It's 1911 in Calcutta, India, and in the Caribbean. The slaves were abolished on the sugarcane plantations, and the owners did not have any workers to cut the cane and to gather the sugar. The owners went to India to get the indentured laborers. A 20-year-old woman had gone into the city, into Calcutta. She heard a man saying, jewels to be had, land to get across the salt water. She thought and thought and thought, and then she said to herself, I am going. I will go to this promised land. And she brought her daughter with her on the boat, and at the end of the 90 days, they landed in Port of Spain harbor. Then they were taken to the plantations. There they lived in barracks. They worked for 25 cents a day. They had to carry bundles of cane on their heads. There was no jewels to be had. No land was given to them. At the end, she had saved her money. She went into the house that they had bought. And there they continued to live until she was approximately close to 100 and did very well.